Actual Budget versus Firefly E 2025. Which personal finance tool fits you best? Managing money in 2025 has never been easier, but choosing between Actual Budget and Firefly E can be confusing. Let's break it down. Actual Budget is a zero-based budgeting tool that focuses on helping you plan every dollar. Most people get this wrong. They think all budgeting apps are the same, but Actual Budget allows dynamic categories, recurring expenses, and goal tracking. You won't believe what happens next. You can simulate scenarios to see how big purchases, savings goals, or debt payments impact your finances in real time. Firefly E is an open-source personal finance manager with a focus on flexibility and transparency. You can track accounts, budgets, and investments, set recurring transactions, and even categorize manually. Its reporting tools are robust, giving you deep insights into spending patterns. Pricing differs. Actual Budget offers a subscription-based model, while Firefly E is free if self-hosted, though managed hosting comes at a small cost. Actual Budget is more structured for goal-driven budgeting, whereas Firefly E is better for users who want control, customization, and long-term financial tracking. So, which fits you best? If you want guided, zero-based budgeting with clear goals, Actual Budget is ideal. If you value flexibility, self-hosting, and detailed reporting, Firefly E shines. The surprising truth is that the right finance tool isn't about features, it's about which one matches your habits, giving you the control and insight to actually improve your financial health.